Alright, so we just went over volume and how to find volume here. So let's do this one now. Okay, we can do another few examples to show you how to find volume. Alright, so for this one, we have, let's fill in the sides, right? So we know that H, I can see, has 1, 2, 3. So H equals 3. Okay? So we know that's true for each of it. And we're actually going to do this in two ways. Let's figure out what the missing numbers are first. So we have, for this one, it's 7, and just like this one actually, 7 and then 3. So this plus this is the same length as this, so 3 plus what equals 7? This has to be 4, and if this is 5 and this part is 4, then that means that this one has to be 1, right? Because 4 plus 1 equals 5. So now we can do this. As I said, we can put height equals 2, equals 3, because there are 3 levels, and we can put that in each of them, each of these rectangles. So height equals 3, and then this one is actually 4 and 4 for length and width. So why don't we multiply all of these numbers? 3 times 4 is 12, times 4 equals 48. Now we could do 4 times 4 is 16, and then times 3 also equals 48. So this one is 48 centimeters cubed. Now, for this one, we know that the height is 3, the length is 5, and the width is 3. So we need to multiply these ones. And as you notice, I'm never using this 7 here because that line goes through both rectangles, right? So this big line is not part of a rectangle. So first we do 3 times 5 is 15 times 3. So this would be 45 centimeters. Okay, cubed. And 48 plus 45 equals 93, I believe, because 45 plus 45 is 90. 8 plus 5, 3. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 4. So we have 93 centimeters cubed. Now, what I'm going to do now is show you that we can actually do this another way. And typically, you can do these either splitting it up horizontally or vertically. So actually, let's put the 4 and the 1 back here. So let's split this up like this now. Okay? So we can call, this A and this one B if we want. And remember, H is 3 equals 3 on both of these. So H equals 3, and then let's figure out the length and width of these. So this one is 7 and 4. So 7, 4, length, width. It really doesn't matter which you call length and which you call width, because as long as you're multiplying all of them, right? So it doesn't matter if you call one length and one width, because you can change the order that you multiply them in, as long as you have the 2 dimensions that are supposed to be. So if you wanted to call 4 length or 4 width, that's fine. If you want to call 7 length and 7 width, as long as you have the 7 and 4 as both of them, that's all that matters. So let's multiply these. 3 times 7 is 21 times 4. I know 20 times 4 is 80, so 21 times 4 would be 84. So this is 84 centimeters cubed. And this, let's see what this is. This is 3 and 1. So then we have 3 and 1 as length and width. So now we are going to multiply all these. 3 times 3 is 9, times 1 is still 9, and so this is 9 centimeters cubed. And then we're just adding these up again, which once again, 84 plus 9 equals 93 centimeters cubed. So that is how you find the volume of a rectangle, or a rectangular prism.